YouTube, what is going on today, y'all? I hope y'all are having an awesome day today. Today is Thursday. I'm bringing you guys a video. This video is it's been due, man. It's time, man. I'm telling y'all, I'm excited right now. You guys don't even understand, man. I'm so excited. It's probably like what, 12, I don't know, it's like 12:30ish right now. I had to crack me a cold one to celebrate, man. Turbo announcement, you guys. The 3rd gen Mega Cab 2008 6.7 Cummins is finally getting a turbo. Yes, that is right. No BS. If you watched the video from yesterday, I mentioned it. I mentioned it a few videos before that. I told you guys I was working on something, and we finally came through on something, and I'm so excited, and I'm so happy and so proud to bring it to you guys. First thing off the bat, I got a couple shout outs I gotta do. First thing is gonna be you guys, the YouTube viewers. You guys made this, man. I'm telling you. Thank you guys so much. If you guys weren't viewers and supporters of the channel, I would not have the drive to do this the way it's going, and I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful for you guys. I love you guys all. You guys know I keep it real with you guys 100% of the time, and I try to be as transparent and as honest as possible. And you guys made it happen, okay? And I say that because you guys drove me to get to this point where I can connect with other people and work like that, all right? This video might be long, might be short. I don't know how long it's going to be. Sit down, get you a cold one, get you something to sip on, whatever, because I got a bunch of info to drop to y'all, okay? So first thing off the bat, we ordered today, I just ordered probably 2 hours ago, a S400.7 turbo 2nd gen swap with a 83 compressor wheel billet, okay, with 3rd gen manifold 3-piece, and then we got the downpipe and the intake and all that stuff, okay? It's going to be a Smedin diesel turbo, okay? Now, I know the comment section is probably going to get all crazy, man. They're going to be like, I'm going to have the 50/50. It's going to be like, you should have went with the SXE. You should have went with the 464. I don't care. You guys can tear it up, man. I would love to see what you guys think about the turbo I chose to go with, man. You guys don't understand how excited I am. That's my first shout out. Second shout out is I want to thank MDC Diesel for working with me on this deal and being able to get this going, okay? I've been talking with them, going back and forth for about the last 2 weeks, man, and I finally pulled the trigger on it, you know. The guy over there, they're based out of Texas. His name is Mac. He was phenomenal, man. He was so patient with me. He answered every question I had. I mean, it was meant to happen, man. And for him to willing to work with me and get me set up the way I wanted to get it set up, man, I'm telling you guys, okay? Now you're probably like, all right, Cam, I'm so happy for you, man, but let me turn my phone silent real quick. 1 sec. Can't be having any interruptions on this because this is real stuff. So you're probably like, okay, Cam, that's all good, man. Where's the turbo? When are you gonna put it in? When are we gonna see it? And who is MDC Diesel? Okay, first thing off the bat, turbo expecting should be here-ish. I want to say no later than next week sometime, probably right around New Year's time. Trust me, this is not the last video you guys are going to see or hear about this company or the turbo. I'm going to be having multiple videos. We got things we got to do to the engine and stuff like that before we put the trans in. You guys are going to want this. You're going to want it. Please be subscribed to the channel, okay? Background note, okay, who is MDC Diesel? Okay, I found them on Instagram. They are a company based out of Texas that builds, they have all the machines in-house, and they build turbos there. They build them. They build Smedin diesel turbos. They have by far, and I'm not saying this because I'm working with them. I was saying this before. People would ask me who should I go with a turbo, and I would say check out them, check out MDC. And I never bought anything from them, but just the way their website set up, the way they run stuff, they have the best deal on a 2nd gen turbo swap, hands down. Fleece can't beat them. Industrial injection can't beat them. And you find a website that can beat this company, and I would like to know, okay? You can get a 2nd gen swap kit complete with a turbo for $1,800 or $1,900, okay? But I got something even better for you. They were lucky enough to give me a promo code, so we now have a promo code for the channel, specifically for me and for you guys and for the channel. And guess what? It's super easy to remember, because if you know my YouTube name, then that's the promo code. Promo code is everything diesel. And guess what that's going to give you? No, it's not. You're not going to get free shipping. No, you're not going to get $20 off. You are going to get $100 off a 2nd gen swap turbo kit or any direct Voltens turbo. So let's say, for example, let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say we're looking at turbo. You like the setup. We already got an aftermarket intake. you know, all you want to do is swap out the turbo or in a manifold, right? But keep the same style, this third gen style turbo. You can get that with them, okay? You can get that direct bolt-in. You're looking at like $1,200, maybe $1,100 after the discount. You can keep that set system, you know, there's nothing wrong with this, but if you want to keep it like this, you can. Or if you want to do a second gen swap, you can do a second gen swap. Now, you guys know that when it comes to parts and stuff, I try to be 100% honest, and I try to be 100% unbiased with it. I just want to keep it real with y'all. There's no point in fluffing shit up. There's no point in just blowing it up, you know what I'm saying? So check it out. You guys are probably wanting to know, okay, where's the price at? What's in it for me? Okay, so this, I'm telling you this because there's no reason for me to hide it. You know, you guys know I'm real. I don't need to hide it. Okay, I paid a little over $2,100 for a second gen 467.7 with an 83 mil wheel, compressor wheel, billet, and the whole kit with the manifold, the air filter, everything out the door. I paid like 21. You know, let me get my phone and I'll show y'all the. Alright, you guys, I got the email pulled up. I blotted out some of my personal info, you know, shipping address, credit card, all that stuff. You know, we got some crazy people out there these days. Okay, MDC diesel right there. Okay, I ordered it today, and this is the setup I went with. You can see right there, I went with the S400 kit. I got the 1AR T4 flange. Alright, I got the 4 to 5 inch adapter for the 5-inch exhaust. The thrust bearing is standard 270. I'll explain that in a second. And then the turbo option I went with was a 467.7 with an 83 billet wheel. $2,150. That is how much I paid. Okay. So you guys know, you know, I wanted to show you that because I wanted you guys to know I'm not, you know, I did not get this turbo for free. They did sponsor it to me. They also offer a $25 military discount. So with the $100 coupon I got, along with the 25%, so for all my veterans and military, you get an extra $25. I saved $125 on a already low price second gen swap kit. I mean, my mind is blown right now. I was at industrial ejection. They wanted $2,300. Fleece, I think Fleece wants like, their shit's like close to $3,000. Worley Custom Fabs, another one that, and by no means I am not knocking any of those brands or any of those kits. I'm just talking about price and what you get. Worley Custom Fabs, they're up there in the 28, 29, 3,000 price range. Okay, by no means is this an insult to any of them, but in the end's day, I'm an average person just like you guys. I work a job. I have a family to feed. I work. I got bills to pay. So we don't always have 3Gs and stuff like that happening to do this, but we want to do it to our trucks. You know what I'm saying? To get a second gen swap kit for $2,100, brand new, built in-house, meaning when you order it, they build it. It's not just sitting on the shelves getting old or whatever. You buy it, they build it. Okay, they're gonna build it to how you want it to be done. So why am I showing y'all the price? Like I said, I just wanted to be 100% honest with y'all. I like you guys to know what I'm paying for stuff and anything like that. Another good thing is that, you know, for instance, we got tax season coming up around the corner. So let's say you're like, man, I'm gonna give me a turbo this tax season or something like that, or you've been saving up and you're at 2Gs or $1,800. You can get the turbo now. You can get it for now. The reason why that one, now y'all might be thinking, well, earlier you mentioned 1900, you can get a second gen swap kit. You can, okay? So if you want, if the bare basic one is a S464, you can get, you can add on options like I did, such as the billet wheel. You can get a 360 thrust bearing. Now, another thing too, y'all were wondering why didn't I opt in for the 360 thrust bearing, is because Mac over at MDC was being 100% honest with me, which is a huge factor when it comes to working with people, is honesty. And he said, honestly, man, the 270-degree thrust bearing is going to work just as good as the 360 thrust bearing, unless you are pushing that turbo to its closer max. This turbo that we're going to be getting is going to be rated for 800 horsepower. I told him, dude, 700, and I'm like capped out. Like, I don't need anything more. This is a daily driver. I don't need anything more than 700 horsepower, because you guys all know in the future I do plan on going and trying to get another diesel truck to turn into a drag truck. So for reliability and just ease of power, knowing that the turbo is not exhausting itself, this is a perfect setup. On top of that, 90 horse injectors in the garage I have to send off, so those are going to be going in. Everything's starting to go crazy. This is a huge milestone for the channel right now, and I'm so happy to be able to share this with you guys. Okay, I know it sounds like a whole lot of information to take in, but at the same time, I'm so excited. I cannot wait to get it. Be on the lookout, because, you know, I'm I'm not going to be pushing their company to you guys, but if I mention it, you know, every 2, 3, maybe 4 videos, I mention them and bring them like, hey man, this is an option, okay? This is an option. On top of that, in every video from now on out, in the description box, I will have a copy of their website along with the coupon code for the channel, our very own coupon code for $100 off on it. You already get free shipping, so you ain't like them giving you free shipping is hooking you up, you know what I'm saying? So it's really good. In terms of Smedin Diesel, okay, Smedin Diesel makes good turbos. I'm not a huge turbo guy, not a fanatic. I don't go crazy into the maps, and I don't know all that stuff. I'm gonna be real with you, you know, but I do know that Smedin Diesel makes a good turbo. That spool's great, it runs great, you know what I'm saying? So it's good stuff, man. It is really, really good stuff. I cannot wait, man. We're gonna probably do, when the turbo starts getting closer to getting here, we're probably gonna do a video. Well, you know I'm gonna do a video for removal of the old turbo, and then we'll be chilling without a turbo until the next one comes. When she comes, we're gonna throw her in, you know what I'm saying? It's a good time, man. It's a good time to be watching these videos, breaking the New Year's with a brand new turbo. I got an oil change video. I'm also going to be doing something called a BD Protect plate on the 68 RFE transmission that we have. You guys know I got the automatic, so I'm going to be doing that along with the upgraded heavy duty accumulator plate to help beef up the trans a little bit. That'll allow me to bump the line pressure up to 250 PSI using the Mini Max. So it's going to be good, man. It's going to be good. We got a lot of stuff coming to the channel. I hope you guys are ready, man, because I know I am. It's long overdue. I've been saying it for so long, and I'm just so happy I can pull it together. Like I said again, thank you guys, my viewers, MDC Diesel, for working with me. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it, okay? So if you guys have any questions, and also you can message me on Instagram if you have any questions on anything I talked about today, turbo choice and all that stuff, please feel free to contact me, because you can DM me on Instagram or you can send me an email. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions and anything like that. But that's all I got for you guys, you know what I'm saying? So it's a good day. It is a good day today, all right? I'm glad I brought this video to y'all today. This is the evening the Miami Hurricanes play Wisconsin Badgers. So for any of my Badger fans out there, you know the Canes, they coming back for revenge this year from what happened last year and back in 2009. So it's gonna be a good day, okay? So until next video, which is gonna be soon, y'all stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to the channel. And until next time I see y'all take it easy and y'all be safe. Thank you. Oh man, one more time, you guys. I'm sorry. You guys don't know how happy I am right now. You guys are probably thinking this guy's crazy as hell. All right. All right, you guys, I'm out.